Today in this quick and easy Photoshop tutorial I'll show you how to make a 3D text in Photoshop. And I have two ways how I make my text 3D in Photoshop. So first of all, let's start with the text tool. If you press T as in Tom, you can create a text. Let's type 3D text and press Ctrl and Enter, and we just placed our text right here. You can find also this tool right here. Now let's see how can we make this text 3D. Let's zoom out a little bit and make sure at the layers the text is selected which you want to make 3D, and now press on this menu, the effects menu, and choose bevel and emboss. And with this tool we can create a nice 3D text. It just pop up on my other monitor. Let's see what we have here. This is the depth of the effect, this is the size. Let's put it something like that. And this is the soften. I think I will leave it close to the middle, but not right. Now what this effect does, it blends two colors together, white and black, which we have here, and it will create a nice effect on the text. You can work with the opacity of the white from here and also the opacity from the black. Let's increase the opacity from the black to 70 or something, and also the white maybe to maximum, to 100%. So this was one way how to make a 3D text. Let me copy it really first, and also I will disable this effect for this text. Let me show you how I make a 3D text now. First of all, let's make this color a little bit darker. Let's choose something from here and press on OK. Now let's copy this text. You have two ways. Either you select it, press Ctrl and C and Ctrl and V to paste. Either if you hold Alt on your keyboard and drag it with your left click, you can copy it. In both ways you'll do the same things. And with this color, let's make it a little bit whiter, something like that. And now let's place this text in a way to create a 3D effect. You can do it like that, you can do it like that, you can do it also like that, and also you can do the opposite. So these are the easiest ways to create a 3D effect text in Photoshop. Tell me your opinion down in the comments, and thank you for watching.